This is our model factory, a fischertechnik indexed line with 2 machining stations. It is connected to the Siemens PLC, which has on it a OPC-UA server. The OPC-UA server is connected to our digital twin. The PLC is also programmed by the TIA portal from Siemens, and everything is stored on this computer. Returning to the PLC, there's an Ethernet connection to a local cloud stored on this computer, and it interfaces the internet. We can also remotely monitor the situation. This is a Lego robot to pick up parts, and the second factory. We are not using the SIMIT unit to connect the model to the simulation world. We are using OPC-UA server. We can come here to our setup. And look at our model, which we can rotate around. Look at the pieces and the sensors or the machines. So we'll be machining this piece here. And now we're going to do it in real life. And we load up the piece. And on the simulation, we can see the part being machined at the same time. This can be controlled with Arrowhead Framework remotely if we wanted to, or get all the data.